Hello and welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is September 2nd, 2025. In the description box of the video, there is information on how to book a personal reading with me. And this is not a traditional tarot deck, but I like it just the same. We have an Emperor, the Ten of Earth, the Chariot. We have Madre of Fire, which is Mother of Earth, of Fire, excuse me. And then Daughter of Water, or Hija of Water. And we have an extra card. I'm going to wait till the end to flip that over. This, you've been busy. You've been very busy. And the thing is, you've been very, you've laid, you've put different seeds, okay, in the past, here, there, as you went along your journey. You made connections, you made investments, and all of these, thoughts and things that you put down. And so it feels like all of these things that you started, that you laid, seed, you planted a while back, or as you normally do day to day, are now bringing you this harvest. Very plentiful. This just feels like, and it feels like it's soothing to you and your soul, because you had the best hopes, right? When you planted these seeds, when you made these connections, when you made these investments, you did it without any ill will. You did it because you knew that down the road, long term, some short term, but mostly long term, this was going to be this was going to be good for you and for everybody around you. You're the emperor here. You protected your home, you protected your work, your schooling. You set up all of these, I don't want to call them safety nets, but you did all of these things. You set up all of these things along the way. You knew they were going to come back and be fruitful. They were going to grow long term. They were going to be something worth waiting for, being patient for. And it's very soothing to you, because that helps you to validate, right? Your 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 thoughts, your emotions, your hopes, your dreams. You know you're not crazy. No, you're not wishful thinking. When you move, you do it with intention. You do it with mindfulness. You do it with empathy and compassion for yourself, for your loved ones, and for those around you, and just in general, right? In general, just for people, for your community. And the best part of it all is that when this harvest comes in, you get to, and it's coming in right quick with the chariot here. You're the type of person you're going to share. You're going to share with everybody. Yeah, you don't hoard it. You don't. You don't show off. No, you share and you show and you educate and you empower yourself and those around you. Yeah, especially if you have children. You show them. If you if you have children, you're that type of person that you along the way have taught them how to how to prepare the soil, right? How to lay the seeds, how to water them over time, right? How to care for them. You taught them and you communicated along the way to your children. You're that type of person. And if it's not your children, it's your family, it's your friendship relations, it's your coworkers. Yeah, you're that type of person. You don't gatekeep. If anything, you're look, look what we can do. Look what can be done. Yeah, this feels very soothing, very nurturing to be reading this, but to be in that energy and to be receiving that harvest, that wealth, that's very soothing. Let's see what this card says. The Eight of Air. Yeah, and it brings you so much peace because uh, there's nothing holding you back. You don't have hidden agendas. You're open. Your thoughts and your heart are always open to giving and receiving. So this is a very peaceful way of life for you. You don't measure it by other people's standards. This is you. This is who you are. This is how you live, how you think, and how you love, and how you show up in your life. This is excellent. This is excellent work. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.